Supercar! The Great Glutton.
Oh no! Oh no!
Huh? Yummy, why are you so flustered?
My friend Beanie is missing!
Beanie?
Yes, Beanie from the Food Planet. I tried calling her a few times and there was no response.
Don't worry, we will help you find her. Ah! Food Planet is in trouble!
It's delicious!
I'm scared!
Calm down, everyone! Let's chase it away! Whoa! Run!
Oh! That monster is destroying the Food Planet! This is an emergency. I must protect the Food Planet and save my friend! I'll get Crane Alex to go with you!
Food Truck Yummy, Crane Alex, get ready!
Mission received!
Supercars, transform!
Today's surprise item is enlargement wave.
Space-time track is open!
Supercars, go! Cakes, bread, and biscuits, all delicious. Veggies, fruits, and milk, I love them all.
No fear, no fear, no fear. We have come here.
Attack, 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 ready to attack. Giant jellies bounce and bounce, bounce and bounce.
Boom, boom, boom.
Delicious. Giant nuts are sturdy and powerful. Boom, boom, boom. My teeth! Hey, it's flying, it's flying.
Oh, we got him, we got him.
Ouch, I'm dizzy, I'm dizzy. The monster has fallen. Oh, I'm sorry. Supercars, thank you.
Your Majesty, our houses have been destroyed by the monster!
Oh no! Oh. What should we do? I've got an idea.
Oh! Really?
Cakes and bread and biscuits, I make them all. Veggies, fruits, milk, you take them all.
Enlarge, 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 enlarge them all. Rebuild, 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 we will set off. Lightly, lightly we lift up the cream cake, make a new roof. Quickly, quickly we toss the fry up high, make a chimney. Biscuits and bread assemble, together turn into a house.
Oh,
We did it, we did it.
Oh, this is nice, this is nice! Oh,
We love it, we love it. This is our planet.
Yummy, yummy! Beanie, I finally found you! Thank you for saving the Food Planet!
the ice penguin.
Cool! Yay! Hey, what do you think? Which tire suits a handsome dude like me?
All suit you well. You're the most handsome car on the street.
Really? Then I think I'll buy them all! Hey, Sheriff Flake, have you decided which tire to buy?
Let me take another look. Wow! I want to buy this one!
Sheriff Lake, why are you wearing anti-skid tires?
Because they are super cool.
But it's summer now. There's no ice on the ground. There's no need for... What's with all this ice?
Look over there!
Cold air bomb launch!
This voice!
Is that Dr. Matt?
Yes, it is me! Take this! I'm going to freeze the whole town!
Ugh! Quick, call the control center!
Huh? What happened to you guys?
Dr. Matt's penguin car is freezing the town!
Huh? We must stop it quickly! Supercars! Get ready!
Mission received! Supercars, transform! Ultra Radar Police Car Lake!
Rocket Race Car Cyclone! Iron Arm Digger Kubo!
Supercars, go!
Penguin sliding on the ice, pointy beak and blowing snow. Freeze the fountain in the garden, freezing everything, oh no.
To the rescue, quick, quick, quick. But the ice block just won't break.
With the shovel, knock, knock, knock. The ice is no more.
Thank you.
You're welcome! I'm off to rescue others!
Let's keep chasing!
Onward we chase and we race, you never can escape us. Slip and slide and no ice spin, I'm dizzy giddy round and round.
The police car speeds and speeds, aiming at his target. Suddenly some ice appears and it is blocking the way.
Ah! It escaped again!
Let's try a different way.
Penguin with the big belly, waddling so slowly. Race car running fast, you can't catch up, la la la.
Police car is now all set, and here comes his mighty net.
Big arm goes click, click, click. The ice falls with a bang.
Penguin gives a sneeze, a shoot, a freeze.
I'm so angry! You won't be so lucky next time!
Evil Dr. Matt, one day we will catch you! Huh!
Wow! I suddenly think your tires are cool!
Of course.
The creaking monster! The best exploration team is here! I'm first captain! I'm second captain! And I'm the third captain! Let's go! I'm a little scared. Shall we end our exploration? I'm right here. Don't be scared. There's a monster! There's a monster in the forest! I'm scared! Oh no!
Watch out!
Sheriff Lake, we saw a monster in the forest.
Oh? Calm down. Tell me what it looks like.
That monster gives out a creaking sound. I think it has 10 heads. It also has 5 eyes and 6 legs.
Oh dear! There's a creaking monster in the forest! And it has 10 heads! 20 eyes!
And 80 legs. Sheriff Lake, Are they telling the truth? It sounds exaggerating to me.
Oh, a creaking monster. I must go and check it out.
Yes! Sheriff Lake, get ready!
Mission received. Supercars, transform!
Today's surprise item is Mecha Scissor Hands!
Supercars, go!
Finding for creaking. Hearing the creaking. 10 big heads, 8 long legs. Creaking monster makes us fear.
Wee you, where is it? Wee you, let's find it. Vines and branches all around. Monster, nowhere found.
Time to use the surprise item.
Snapping, cut them down. Snapping, trim them out. Watch out, don't fall down. Danger, all around.
Snapping, cut them down. Snapping, trim them out. Freaking monster leaves a trace. Running forward to give chase. It's a wooden hut! Does the creaking monster live here?
Creaking, there's nothing to fear. Creaking, there's rust in my gear. Creaking, my wheels cannot steer. Creaking, there's no monster here.
It's Grandpa Car.
Let us do a repair for you! Thud, hammer is clanging. Swish, fresh and shaking. Whirring, all wheels are turning. Cling, clang, Grandpa's house creaking.
Wow, thank you all. I feel 10 years younger.
Don't mention it!
All right. The conclusion of my investigation is there's no creaking monster in the forest.
Is the creaking monster here again?
Looks like that is the true creaking monster.
Crazy plants.
Crazy plant car, the 99th experiment. Here we go.
Gurgle.
I did it! With this invention, I can surely defeat the supercars. Go crazy plant car, make the plants of Happy Town go crazy.
Make me look nice in the photo. That's so scary!
Huh? Huh? Why can't I open it?
Somebody help us! Huh? What's wrong with these plants? Control center! Barry, Timmy, there are many crazy plants in the town. I need backup. No problem. Maybe Kubo can help. Supercars? Get ready!
Mission received! Supercars, transform!
All around harvester, Harvey!
Iron arm digger, Kubo! Supercars, go!
cut all the flowers down. A cactus plant small and tall, attacking the town. Big spines, small spines flying high. Oh, be careful, watch the sky. Here's the mighty digger car, strong as he can be. With its big and sturdy claw, dig away, just watch and see.
It's not over yet!
Oh no! The big tree is oh so strange. Branches sway and change, twist and twirling round and round. Careful, don't come close. Let me go! My scissors are coming out for some tree clipping. My shovel is coming out for some dirt digging.
Hey! The tree monster is defeated!
It's not over yet! My scissors are coming out for some tree clipping. My shovel is coming out to do some hitting.
Finally got rid of all those crazy plants.
They're really tough!
Not again! It's us! Congratulations! Mission accomplished! Looking for the big monster.
Hey, Nina, what are you queuing up for?
It's the new monster comic book. I heard it's good. Sheriff Blake, do you want to buy one too?
There are too many people. I'll go on patrol. I'll come back later.
Sheriff Blake!
What happened, Two Cars?
We found a monster!
A monster?
You don't mean this monster, do you? That's right! It's him! This is just a comic. You are surely mistaken. No, we really saw a monster!
Where did you find this monster? Show me.
Follow me. Sheriff Blake, this is where we saw the monster.
That's right. These are its big footprints.
It seems there's really a monster. Control center! Mary, Timmy, it seems like a monster has appeared in the city.
Huh? A monster?
That's right. I need to transform so I can look into it.
No problem. Supercars? Yep, ready!
Mission received. Supercars, transform! Ultra Radar Police Car Lake! Supercars, go!
Where's the monster hiding now? Start the radar and find out. Search the garden and I find, whoa, big footprints are here.
We see footprints on the ground. They are strange and all about. They are here and they are there, then disappear ahead.
Huh?
Where's the monster hiding now? Start the radar to find out. Search the streets and alleyways. Oh, find a great big head.
It's the monster! I saw him!
Let's go catch the big monster. Hurry, hurry, let's speed up. We surround you on both sides. We'll defeat you, yeah, that's right.
Huh? It's Mr. Pig!
Big footprints and great big head. We're not real and just a trick. Now we know the truth is out. The monster isn't real.
So there is no monster! Mr. Pig, we almost mistook you for a monster.
It's okay.
Why did you dress up like a monster?
Oh, it's because I'm promoting this new comic book.
I heard from Nina that it's very popular.
Mm-hmm. If you guys like it, I'll give you a few copies.
Wow!
A missing pearl.
My sunglasses are missing. Oh? Alex, did you take my sunglasses?
Huh? I did not.
Really? You did not take them?
Kubo, you're making me angry.
Alex must be feeling guilty. I must get Sheriff Lake to find out the truth. Sheriff Lake, my sunglasses have been taken by Alex.
Kubo, you need evidence to suspect someone.
Oh, right. He said he likes my sunglasses.
This is just a compliment, not evidence. An urgent mission! Kubo, let's talk about your sunglasses later.
Sure.
Who is asking for help? Oh, my pearl is gone! Mermaid Princess, calm down. We will help to find your pearl back. Both of you shall take on this mission.
No problem.
Sheriff Lake, Digger Kubo, get ready!
Mission received! Supercars, transform!
Today's surprise item is scanning glasses. Speed's time track is open.
Supercars, go! Oh! Oh, I hear the Mermaid Princess crying.
Yes, she must be right ahead.
I kept my pearl here, but it disappeared when I woke up.
Oh,
I suspect
Suspect who?
that big shark, no doubt it's he, with a massive mouth, you see, hiding my pearl deep inside. Quickly, quickly catch him now.
Chasing and chasing, the big shark, please hold. Let me do a scan. No pearl found, my fault.
What were you doing?
I'm sorry, it was a mistake. The clownfish, no doubt it's he. He's mischievous, you see. Takes my pearl as his plaything. Quickly, quickly catch him now.
Chasing and chasing, the clownfish, please halt. Let me do a scan. No pearl found, my fault.
I'm curious.
I'm really sorry. The turtle, no doubt it's she. She is a mommy, you see. Takes my pearl as her baby. Quickly, quickly catch her now.
Chasing and chasing, the turtle, please halt. Let me do a scan. No pearl found, my fault.
I didn't take your pearl.
I'm sorry. I suspect.
Mermaid Princess, let's not suspect the innocent. We will find your pearl.
Radar on beep boop, searching in the sea so deep.
My big boom clunk clunk, but the digging in the sea so wide.
Scanning and scanning, target detected.
Digging and digging, the pearl has been found.
The pearl has been found.
Oh, Sheriff Lake! Kubo! Thank you so much for finding my pearl!
You're welcome, Mermaid Princess. Don't suspect others without any reason, all right?
I promise. As a token of thanks, you may have these seashells.
Wow, they're sparkling! What is this?
This is probably the sunglasses you were looking for.
Oh gosh! I guess I wrongly accused Alex.
Kubo, where are you going?
I'm going to apologize to Alex.
Oh.
Dinosaur armored car.
Wow! It's my favorite movie!
Oh? What is it?
Dinosaur armored car! Arr!
Wow, it looks so cool!
Hey, hurry up. We still have a lot of work to do.
Coming!
Kubo.
Let me watch for 5 more minutes! Or 3 minutes would be fine too!
Dinosaur armored car? Yeah, I have a good idea!
Dinosaur armored car!
Kubo.
Sorry, Alex.
Kubo, you need to focus. We must build this building today.
I understand. Huh? What's going on?
Oh, be careful.
It's the dinosaur armored car!
Kubo, run!
How did the dinosaur armored car end up here?
Something's not right. Control center.
Alex, Kubo, Rubber, what happened?
The dinosaur armored car came out of the movie and knocked down our building!
What? How is this possible? Oh no, the city is in danger!
Supercars!
Get ready!
Mission received. Supercars, transform! Hercules Craig, Alex!
Iron Arm Digger Kubo!
Colorful mixer truck, Raber!
Supercars, go!
Long arm goes clang, 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 lifting the rocks up high.
Shovel goes clack, clack, and you'll be alright.
Please don't be afraid, run and find a safe place. We're here to help you out.
Don't you hurt anyone!
The big dog swings and swings, it's got you in its grip. 1, 2, 3, pull you back, but he's just too quick. Cement harden now, walls come out to hold you down. There is no way out.
Oops!
Big shovel, dig, dig, dig to make a hole so big. The moment you come near, with the rumble you are in.
The big roller turns, cement pouring all around. You are a sculpture now.
It worked!
Let's build the building quickly.
The digger digs, 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 the crane lifts, 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 the mixer truck turns, turns, the work begins. We all work together, going high, high, high. Here is a new building.
Wow! The building is better and taller than before!
Speaking of which, where did this thing come from?
You think I failed again? No! I have prepared an upgraded version! What's going on? Stop! Stop!
asking for help at this hour, Barry?
This must be urgent. Let's check it out. Huh?
Barry! Timmy!
This is strange. Timmy, focus on Piggy, who is asking for help.
Got it! This is a terrifying nightmare. Please save me!
I got it! Piggy is stuck in his nightmare.
Huh? Oh no, poor Piggy!
Let's call the Supercars now. Race car Cyclone. Taxi Nina.
Huh?
Get ready.
Mission received! Supercars,
transform! Today's surprise item is shrinking headlights.
Space-time track is open!
Supercars, go!
Huh? The streets look exactly the same as the real world. But
The food is gigantic! Welcome to this amazing yet strange world. Look how big the food has all grown to be. Raise your heads, hamburgers are falling down. Be careful as you move around. I'll go find Piggy. Rumbling, revving engine, vroom, vroom, vroom. Jumping up, the bread cannot hold me down. Swerving through, dashing through the street of food. There he is, target has been found.
Cyclone!
Come on, Piggy, hop in. Be careful, strings of noodles are falling. Dangerous, creamy cakes are slippery. Big apple, strawberry, a banana. Road is blocked, I cannot pass through.
Cyclone, use the item.
Shine the light, make the candy small, small, small. Shine the light, make the burger small, small, small. Shine the light, make the fruits small, small, small. Shine the light, the food is now smaller. Yahoo! Where did all the giant food come from?
I'll take a look on the clouds. Hi!
Bounce and leap, get on the clouds at sea. Bounce and leap, jump up and reach higher. Bounce and leap, tasty foods are in the sky. Bounce and leap, turn on the lights and shine.
La la la, la la la, the clouds are shrinking small. La la la, la la la, troubles are now no more.
Amazing! Once the gigantic food disappeared, my nightmare ended too! Yeah! Everything is back to normal. Yay! Thank you! Huh? These are just the right size. My sweet dream will now begin.